that are mine. Told him I saw this coming, that I practically packed up my things. I was glad at the time that I said I was fine, but all honesty, no, I wasn't ready, no. So here we go, bluebird, back to the sky on your own. Oh, let him go, bluebird, ready to fly, you and I. Here we go. This pair of wings, warm and rested from too many years by my side. They can carry me, swearing sturdy and strong, but seem turning them on still means goodbye. And so here we go, bluebird, gather your strength and rise up. Oh, here we go, bluebird. Oh, here we go, bluebird. Oh, here we go, bluebird, ready to fly, you and I. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.